Hi guys, I'm here to update few things from our side. Okay, about online tests, videos, preparation, doubts, because multiple times multiple people are asking in what way we are going to target gate 2021 and all. About online test, one update is there. Our team already implemented MSQ multi-select questions, and yesterday we tested it. So from August 15th, whatever the tests are going to come, they'll come along with MSQs. Okay, and modified syllabus obviously. And till now we completed 19 tests, 19. Okay, in these 19 tests we are changing some questions depending upon the syllabus change, because pattern is changed and syllabus is also changed for gate 2021. So till now whatever the tests happened before August 15th, they will not have MSQ questions, but they'll be modified as per the new syllabus. And from August 15th, whatever the tests will come, around 40 or 50 tests will be there more. Okay, so around those 50 tests you will have MSQ questions in all tests. Next thing is about videos. Yeah, people are asking me how many times we can watch videos. I don't have any limit like that. We don't have any limit like only 3 times one has to watch video, or 5 times one has to watch the video. Because of that, many issues will come. Because if any guy start the video and meanwhile internet connection, if it disruption happened, means but count will be counted as 1 time watched, then 2 times more only people can watch. If the same thing happened twice, students can watch only 1 time. That's why personally, like from our team side, we don't have any number of counts. Okay, you can watch any number of times any video, but of course IP address will be tracked, you know what I mean. Okay, and preparation, this is actually very important. From preparation point of view, we are thinking that by September 15th our syllabus will be over. So October 1st onwards, second stage preparation we are going to launch. Okay, this particular preparation or this particular guidance will be available for OTS guys also. Okay, this particular preparation, in the sense already this year toppers are there, means 30th ranker, 66th ranker, many rankers are there. So these rankers actually are working with us to clear the doubts and all. Okay, and long back I promised 5 members at least will be recruited here in Hyderabad. Whatever we are going to apply to these 5 members, the same will be replicated to all other students, I said long back. See, it means in the same lines we recruited already 5 members in Hyderabad, and whatever we are going to apply for these 5 members in the preparation, the same will be copy paste to all the students. And this particular complete team will be led by this year toppers. Okay, rigorous daily targets or weekly targets will be there, rigorous preparation will be there, rigorous doubt clearing will be there from October 1st. Maybe if unintentional any delay happen, in the worst case it will start from October 10th onwards. Now whoever couldn't take videos with us, whoever has taken only OTS, or in future whoever are going to take OTS, for them my request is try to complete at least video sessions or your own preparation sessions, whatever it may be. Try to complete at least before October 1st or October 10th. Okay, from that we are going to start the second stage preparation, very rigorous preparation without much analysis, only problems. In that way only, means we are going to deal the team from October 1st or in the worst case October 10th onwards. And about doubts also, people are asking. Actually for doubts we have 4 stages. First stage, once we get the mail, that mail will be replied by toppers of this year. Okay, already we have more than 37 members, actually not more than exactly 37 members who are working in this. So they are going to reply through mail, first thing. And second thing is, if any conceptual doubt, if any problem doubt come, automatically they'll reply with the solution. But if any conceptual doubt come, they are going to call you and they will try to clarify your doubt. If still your doubt is persisting, even after talking with the toppers also, then third level faculties are going to talk. Okay, even then also, if any student is unable to clarify his doubt, his or her doubt, under that condition we are going to do videos. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, in 4 stages doubt clearing is there. Anyway, if anybody is yet to start the preparation very soon. We don't have that much time. Okay, as soon as possible try to start the preparation and do the best preparation, and don't get tensed. And many times people are feeling as if exam is tomorrow. No, we have 6 months time. Okay, so don't think that you started preparation today and by tomorrow or day after tomorrow or within 10 days syllabus has to be completed. It is impossible. Okay, for any individual. For syllabus completion, it's having its own gestation period. Okay, at least 3-4 months rigorous preparation is required. Okay, so if anyone start now, by October at least if you can complete maximum portion, after that, for example, very important topics will be there. For very important topics, if you can complete your video lectures or your self preparation, whatever it may be. Okay, for unimportant topics will be there, which can be which can be prepared just like with formulas and all. Okay, those things you please keep it aside, but whatever is important, okay, kind of analysis orientation is there, try to complete those portions at least before October 10th. From October 10th onwards we are going to start the rigorous preparation. Okay, very all the best.